Following a recent sparkling tap installation, our video team at Borg and Overström were invited to visit one of our London-based distributors, FreshGround. This visit allowed us to look behind the scenes as we experienced firsthand how FreshGround dedicates their time into working closely with their clients, providing premium products and tailored service packages.
FreshGround are a company who provide coffee. One of the things we do great at FreshGround is roll with service. And the way that works is that we bring all that product together, and the really important part of that is the knowledge. So we bring that to clients, typically that's in the commercial sector. So Borg and Overström is what we call one of our big 5 suppliers. We've got different brands that we work with, all doing different things. So we've got Borg and Overström, we've got FreshGround, we've got the client, and it's about harnessing the strengths of those different partnerships to really bring out benefits for the customer. I'll use, for example, a customer like Mullen Lowe, who's a customer we've worked with, I'd say very deeply, to get it really right for them. They're in the artistic, in the media sector. People who truly appreciate quality are people who will really get it right.
So I'm Tristan, and I am the front of house for Mullen Lowe Group. Mullen Lowe Group are an advertising agency, and we provide TV commercials. We've recently won an award. It's the Great Place to Work award. What has really contributed to this is our amazing bar area. When people come, they can collaborate together. It's a place for inspiring ideas. And we've got this new filtered sparkling water, which is great. It's a brilliant option for clients.
My name is Maria Rodriguez. My title is Hospitality Manager. My job here is to look after this cafe. Our supplier here is FreshGround. I can say they are really nice people. We got 2 machines for coffee. We have as well the taps for the still and sparkling water. Sometimes we have international clients and they're coming and ask for sparkling water. Before we used to go to the shop quick, or sometimes we don't even have the water to offer to them. But now, because we have it here, we just fill up a bottle and we can just put it straight away. We don't have to think what I'm gonna do.
So a question I get asked a lot is there benefit of bolting water into that package? Is there benefit of selling it as a value add or as an and/or product? And I know a lot of people talk about coffee as being really passionate and we can sell the beans and we can bring this solution together. But to me, I go into so many offices where people are just drinking a glass of water. Is it just? I'm not sure. When that consumer's tied up with a product that really, really works well for them, you've got a customer who's buying into you, and that is everything. Whether it's coffee, whether it's water, it doesn't matter. You need to look at the consumer and see what they want to choose.
If you would like your product installation showcased in our distributor stories, contact our customer support team. We would be delighted to help celebrate your achievements.